Moving day can be an exciting time for your family, but if you haven't planned ahead, the task of packing can be overwhelming. Here are 3 tips for a smooth packing process. Step 1. Pare down your belongings. Moving more than you need is a waste of time and money. Organize your things into 4 categories: trash or recycle, sell, donate or give away, and pack. Step 2. Pack to keep track. Create an inventory while you pack to track items and help estimate moving costs. Make sure to note the condition and value, as well as the room where they'll go in your new home. Step 3. Label everything. Use color-coded tape to quickly identify boxes, label the tops and sides by number, category, and room, and create an open first box with key items that you'll need on day 1. Make it an easy transition from one home to the next. Visit travelers.com for tips on more of life's challenges.